Hey YouTube, I got a Haro from Intro Lite S and lime green. You can tell it's the form right there. It's a Haro. It's got the plain black rims on both of them. It's got the 25 tooth cranks, micro drive. It's got Guns N' Roses seat. I just had a crash on this bike the other day. I was trying to bunny hop over a crate into a manual. Didn't work out too well. Did a faceplant, broke my jaw on my hand, and that right there is the only scratch on the whole entire bike. It's got the Haro foam grips. It's only got one brake. It's got the brake cable, which I'm gonna take it off eventually. And yes, the back one is plain black rim. But yeah.